Hello, Akwaba again. Always to the Returnees Sankofa channel. My name always Kofi. Today I'm bringing you a video right from my home, which I will be carrying out a house chores today. As we Ghanaian men or the locals, we do this to support our wives at home, especially when they are pregnant or during weekends or even when they are sick. So this morning our tap just ran off or ran out, and I will be walking about 200 meters to a neighbor's house and then be fetching water. And you see the barrel right up here. I will be filling this whole barrel all by myself, and I will show you how we do it as African or Ghanaians, precisely in Ghana. Let's go fetch water. Stay with me. My name always Kofi. All right, so here I have my empty barrel. See right here, this is about 200 and this is about 10.2 kg. So I'll be filling this 10.2 kg all by myself with a basin. I have my basin right here. This is just a regular rubber basin. So let's get walking and then I'll show you how we do it. My tap right here, which has just run out, and I'm taking the walk now. Walk with me right inside my neighborhood. So this is how my neighborhood also looks like. Right up at the gate, I'll just take a turn and then visit just a nearby neighbor. And it's free, the locals, we do support each other sometimes when it comes to these little things like fetching of water. You can just visit a neighbor's house and then ask nicely, and then you fetch your water. So this is how my neighborhood looks like. This is around Kutunse. It's a suburb of Accra, off on the Insawam Kumasi road. Yeah, it's pretty quiet place. New development. It's a new site, so you could see uncompleted buildings and then some other buildings. So hey, I'm getting right almost to where I will be fetching my water, just right up here in the neighbor's house. Though they are not around, but we sometimes come here to fetch water. So let's go fetch water right up here. So this is the neighbor's tap, which I can freely fetch any volume of water I require in my home. Yes, so right up here you see, this is how I carry my basin, and then I walk the same distance back home and then pour this in the empty drum and then walk back again and fetch until I'm successful with the volume I require. So this is how we do. But I tell you, in Ghana also many men won't do this because they are bossy, there are big men who can afford everything, so they won't do this. But most typically the locals does this. We do this. I'm a local. Yeah, I am a local, so I support my wife a lot at home. Anytime I get the chance or I have the chance, I do this and other few home chores. Yeah, I clean up the kitchen, the rooms, everywhere, the bedroom. I do this also. So yeah, it's good. We do this also sometimes to compliment our wives. They do a lot for us, They take care of our babies and then a whole lot. So yeah, that's it. It's me. I just want to show you how we do it also in Ghana. Yeah, this is how we do it. So I will go the same distance about 10 times until I get this barrel full. So here we are. I have my 250-liter barrel full with water, which is about 10.5 or 10.2 kg. Yes, and my wife is so happy. She has water to use over the weekend. And then also, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the Returnees Sankofa channel, love our channel, share, and then also don't forget to click the bell for more videos. And I'll see you in other videos. Medase. Once again, my name Kofi Akwaba. Bye bye.